Okay, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove watermark with Snapseed. So first of all, this is the icon, this is the app, but I'm going to show you where you can download it. Go to Play Store and then click on the search button and then search Snapseed. Snapseed. Okay, so this is the logo. This is what it looks like. Of course, you're going to install. It's going to show like this. So you're just going to click on install. So I already installed it. So after installing, click on open. So this is the interface. It is going to look like this. The next thing you're going to do is to click on the plus sign. And then you take it to your gallery. The next thing you're going to do is find the image you want to use. Okay. So there are different images with watermarks that you can use. I'm going to be removing the Gemini watermark on my AI images. Right. So I'm going to find an image. Yes, I'm going to find an image. Let's see if these ones have it. Okay, let's check this one. It may not necessarily take this long to load. It could just open immediately. So this is the watermark I want to remove, and this is how it looks like when you open it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to come over here, come over to tools, and then click on healing. Right, click on healing, and then it's going to show me this circle. All right, what I just have to do is to tap on it, and it removes the watermark. But you see, if you're not careful, it is going to distort it. So you can just click on undo and then zoom the image. You can see how I am zooming it. You can see this circle. So when you zoom the image, it makes this circle look smaller. All you just have to do is to tap on it gradually, and it removes it. Then you click on OK. So let's zoom out a bit. Okay, so this is it. So you see, watermark removed. Right, then the next thing you're going to do is to export the image. You click on export and then you click on save. Right, click on save, and then prepares your photo, and then it saves. Okay, let's hold on. Okay, so you will see photo saved. It shows that it has saved in your gallery. So the next thing we're going to do, if you notice, the watermark was just on plain background, so it was easy to remove. But your watermark could be on a particular part of the body or a particular part of an image where you don't want some things to be affected. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay. Let's find the photo. Okay, let me use this. Okay, so you could see the watermark is on the hand of the image, So let's go back to, let's go to healing, and then instead of just tapping like this, you see it will spoil the image, and we do not want that. So you're still going to zoom it. You can zoom it as you can actually zoom it before going to healing, so you don't mistakenly tap something like this and it affects your image, right? So this is it. So what I will do is to just gradually, right, gradually. So you can just keep doing it till it gets better, right? So if I click OK and then I zoom out, you could see, you would not notice that anything was affected. So what you just have to do is to make sure you are the creative director here. Make sure that you keep healing till it gets better, right? Keep healing till it gets better and it looks normal. Okay, so this is it. When you long press, you see the before after. If you look at it, you will see that it doesn't look like anything was affected. You see, when you tap on your screen a bit, it shows you the original. When you remove your hand, it shows you the edited one. So you go ahead and export your image, and that is it. How to remove watermark with Snapseed. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.